Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it's come apart. We seem to have ripped the seats out. I'm currently looking at it in the rear camera. We have cameras on the front and the back of Big Pete and the Grim Reaper. It's another draw, ladies and gentlemen. I can't claim victory on that. It's two equal sized pieces. It's going to be down to the car crush. Who's going to be your favourite monster truck? As the guys feverishly gather up. I do hope the little rabbits run away.